Hello traders. Cryptocurrency trends are constantly changing, especially during the day. But you can also make profit on calm markets using channel strategies. To access automatic trading, register on the site. All you need is email and password. To access all the features of the service, it is recommended to purchase one of the Pro versions. You can start with the basic package. Then you can go to the standard or premium package. In addition to the web version, there are desktop applications for all popular operating systems. Installation is simple and shouldn't be a problem. To access the Signal package, add a license key and, if necessary, your broker. We will open trades on the test server of the Binance exchange. Open a free account with confirmation by email and start trading. The first and most reliable pattern will be a breakdown of the channel borders. Breakdown means the end of the period of equilibrium between the forces of buyers and sellers. The necessary volume of open and pending positions has been accumulated to start a new trend. The longer the channel, the higher the probability of breakdown. Beginners should start with the breakdown pattern. Even if there is an error in determining the channel boundaries from 5 to 7 points. The new trend will be enough to open a limit or manually set a market order. The following example shows two common price behaviors at the channel borders. A flat usually shows a strong price level that is not visible on indicators or chart patterns. It can be a daily or weekly maximum minimum, a Fibonacci correction level, a large count of market makers' orders. Even if the market has decided on a new trend, such levels can stop it. Then there is the same probability of both continuing the movement and reversing the price back into the channel. When reversing, we change the strategy by opening an order for a rebound from the line. There is a short rollback to the lower border after which the downtrend continues. This situation is common before the publication of important news. Activity falls, the market is waiting for the news. Always check opening times against the economic calendar. If the results are against the trend, there will be a reversal, not a breakdown. Now what the correct reversals from the channel borders look like. Large shadows or only one candle behind the line. Then a quick return to the channel. You can trade on scalping, the market has not decided on the direction. Signals near the middle line require additional confirmation. Move on to real examples. We start with Ethereum. A downtrend with large candlesticks with a consolidation period. The increase in the width of the sideways movement makes it possible for channel trading to rebound or break out. Now a breakdown is more likely, open a short order. Comments on opening an order. Leverage value can be increased if the deposit allows. Remember, with a large leverage, not only profit grows, but also losses. The position volume of 5% is also optimal for trading by the market when positions are opened without pending orders and take profit stop-loss levels. There will be manual closing of positions. Volume can be increased up to 20% on a strong trend. It was planned to open limit short below the current price. But the price gives a downward impulse, which immediately opened an order after installation. You cannot change the parameters, we are waiting for the result. If necessary, quickly close the position. The price is moving on the third retest of the resistance level. Technical analysis considers this retest to be the main point of a possible breakdown of the channel, or a position for a rebound with a breakdown of the support level. A breakdown down is more likely now. We look at the first candle of the resistance level. Lines on the shadow of the candle. This can be done if it is the result of a strong rollback. In other situations, we put a line at the closing price of the candle body. Take profit is still far from the price, but the downtrend continues. The deal was closed by take profit. The following positions are opened by market order with manual closing. Let's to Bitcoin. The downtrend correction is over. 3 down candles confirm a reversal in the direction of the main trend. Open the second short. Take profit and stop loss are not set. Let's close the position manually. It's still a loss, but the price is going down. You can expect a transition to profit on the next 2 or 3 candles. A channel can only be defined by one price high or low. Most of the time the market does not work according to the classics. The main thing is to determine the value of the channel border levels for the market. Now this is a strong reversal pattern of the beginning of a correction of fast downtrend and the top of its end. Such patterns are at strong support and resistance levels. If there is confirmation from the oscillator and the xSignals service, you can be the first to open a breakout or rebound order. The loss continues, but there are no signals for a reversal to the upper border. After the next candle, we decide to close or continue the deal. Time is the main element of the scalping strategy. The transaction is held exactly by time, the result is the second value.
The price stopped at the top of the channel.
It was better to enter the market after the breakdown of the middle of the channel. It will be optimal to close the position with a small profit or loss. The deal is closed, there is a profit. Bitcoin again and the continuation of the previous transaction. The trend has recovered, the correction is completely closed. The price stopped at a strong resistance level near the reversal pin bar. The oscillator and xSignals confirm the continuation of the movement without consolidation. Third market short order. Before opening on cryptocurrencies, we always look at Bitcoin. It sets the general trend of the market, most assets follow it. There may be reverse short trends on Ethereum, but the general trend does not change. The channel does not change. Let's draw the attention of traders to two important factors.
First,
the previous short on Bitcoin could have given more profit. Was it right to close the deal quickly? Or was it necessary to wait? Our opinion. According to the scalping strategy without take profit and stop loss, this is the right decision. After moving against the transaction, profit appeared, you need to quickly close the order. You can't see the future, decision needs to be made by market. Second, at the resistance level, there is a classic false breakout. While the price has not returned to the middle of, there will be a chance of a rollback and a breakdown of the level at which we will open a deal. You cannot wait until the confirmation of the breakdown by setting a pending limit stop at 10 or 15 points from the lower border of the channel. The position is consistently in profit. We are waiting for another minute further on the situation. Getting ready to close. On scalping, all conditions for closing. The price has gone enough into profit, a long downtrend will be the first pullback. If we continue to hold the deal, we look at confirmation of the continuation of the trend on higher timeframes. We close the deal. We look at the following possible channels.
Back to Ethereum. In the previous Bitcoin trade, a breakdown was traded after an unsuccessful retest of the resistance level. Now the situation is reversed.
There are all conditions for returning the price to the channel.
Let's open a long order.
If there is a profit, we will finish the trading session. The deal is open. There is no strong movement yet. Position holding time is no more than 15 minutes, then we will close the current profit or loss.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
The situation is similar to the first Ethereum trade. A strong and fast trend, then a reversal pattern for a correction.
Then the price returns to its original values.
The second reversal pattern, hammer, signals the end, not the continuation of the downtrend. A sideways movement begins in a wide corridor and trading for a rebound from the channel borders. There will be at least one retest of the upper support border.
You can open short with take profit at the lower resistance.
The deal is still in loss. Let's not close. Two reversal candlestick patterns for price growth are a strong signal. We will be ready to close the profit at the level of 3% of the position amount. Price is at the channel resistance level. Sellers are trying to continue the downtrend, but buyers are more likely to take advantage. We close the profit and summarize the results.
There is an opinion that trading channels is difficult, especially for beginners.
This is wrong. Even if the channels are determined manually, if you follow the rules, you can get a stable profit. There is no news background on cryptocurrencies, which means of false channels is less. The main condition is the width of the channel is not less than 40 to 50 points. Subscribe to the channel and all good profits.